Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman on behalf of Kensington, and we're taking a look today at the Kensington SmartSockets Tabletop Surge Protector. This is a surge protector that works well on a tabletop like so, but can also be placed on the floor. And its key feature is the length of its cable, 16 feet, which means if your desk is a little farther away from the outlet than you'd like, this will reach it and you'll be able to plug in all of your devices very easily. All of the sockets here, 6 of them, are laid out in a way that you can fit every wall wart on it and make use of all of the sockets you have available to you. And in addition to that, you've got 4 USB ports here that can charge a device at 2.4 amps. So that's the higher charge rate that you would see typically on an iPad or other tablet. Now you'll also notice that all of the sockets are color-coded, and in the box you'll also find some stickers that you can wrap around the other end of the cable. So if you are putting this on the floor and want to disconnect something from your desk, you can just match up the color here and not unplug something accidentally. And you don't need to worry about accidental shutdowns either. The recessed power switch is very difficult to inadvertently trip, so it requires a very firm push to turn your sockets on or off. And you get a lot of surge protection here too, 1,500 joules, which is much more than some of the cheaper surge protectors you might see out there. So that is the Kensington SmartSockets Tabletop Surge Protector. And on behalf of Kensington, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.